Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get any living ship you want. First, you'll need to visit the anomaly and purchase a void egg using Quicksilver. This egg is the key to starting the unique Starbirth questline. Once you have it, simply activate your pulse drive in space, and the quest will begin. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you successfully acquire your very own organic starship. To begin your journey, head to the anomaly and locate the Quicksilver Synthesis Companion. Here, you can purchase a void egg for 3,200 Quicksilver. Quicksilver is a special currency earned by completing daily and weekly missions found on the anomaly's nexus. Make sure to save up your Quicksilver, as this egg is essential for initiating the Starbirth quest and ultimately obtaining your living ship. The Starbirth quest is a multi-stage journey that will take you across various star systems. You'll be tasked with finding specific planets and interacting with unique structures to evolve your void egg. Each stage requires a bit of exploration and sometimes a short wait for the egg to mature. Pay close attention to the quest log and the on-screen markers to ensure you're always heading in the right direction and progressing smoothly. Once you reach the final stage of the Starbirth quest, you'll be presented with a living ship. If its appearance isn't exactly what you envisioned, you can reload your most recent save and try again. The game generates a new ship each time, offering many unique combinations. Keep reloading until you find the perfect organic vessel that truly speaks to you. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.